Dear students, today we will discuss the synthesis of furan. Already we have discussed the furan reactions. Furan basically electrophilic substitution reactions will be possible or probable possibilities at second position. We have discussed all these reactions. Now we will discuss the how we will synthesis the furan. The first method is the Paul-Knorr synthesis. In this synthesis, we will use the dicarbonyl compound and in presence of acid and oxidizing agent, we will produce as the furan. Firstly, we have the dicarbonyl compound. Okay, this is the 1,4 dicarbonyl compound, and in this we will use the PbO5, then acid source H2SO4. Okay, this kind of reagent we will use in Paul-Knorr synthesis, and it will give the furan. Okay, mechanism for this reaction. Okay, the acid source will take the acid, then this will attack on this carbonyl. This will be take that hydrogen and obtain the ring is closed. OH is present at second position. CH3 is there also. There is also CH3. Okay, then H2O will be removed and you will obtain the product. Okay, this is the first method. In this method we use the P2O5 and H2SO4 and water is removed. Okay, in this case, and this synthesis we will use 1, 2, 3, 4 1,4 dicarbonyl compounds in presence of acid will give your furan. Okay, this is the one of the method. Then second method, by using polysaccharide. Okay, we will produce the firstly perfuran. Perfuran is compound is okay. At the second position, we have the formyl group or aldehydic COH group, that is a perfuran. Perfuran we will obtain from the acid hydrolysis of polysaccharide. Okay, this is obtained from the polysaccharide. Okay, and acid hydrolysis. Okay, and then we'll by the heating and by using the your PDC, okay, palladium carbon reagent heating, you will obtain the furan. Okay, this is the one of the method to produce the furan. Okay, by using the polysaccharide acid hydrolysis, you will obtain firstly perfuran. Okay, that is the perfuran compound, and which is heated at 200 degrees Celsius with using palladium and carbon, you will obtain the furan. Okay, we have the D-xylose compound. Okay, polysaccharide, one of the aldopentose type compound. Okay, it looks like that, CHO. This is OH. Okay, that type of compound. Okay, by acid hydrolysis of D-xylose, that is polysaccharide, aldose pentose type compound. Acid hydrolysis, you will obtain the perfuron first, and then by heating with PDC 200 degrees Celsius, you obtain the perfuron. Okay, this compound can be written like that. CHO. Okay, that CHO at that second position, there is OH. Okay, if you give the position first, second, third, and the fourth. Okay, that is first, second, third, and the fourth. Fourth position is CH2OH. Okay, in this case CH2OH. Okay, then we'll use the acid. That OH will be removed. Okay, minus H2. Okay, then tautomerism with double bond and OH. Okay, like that tautomerism is there. Then during this you will obtain carbonyl compound at this position. Okay, then this hydrogen will give H2O. Okay, that H2O, and that's okay. Then you will obtain this lone pair will be attack on this. Okay, you will obtain the such type of compound. COH. Okay, then OH will be removed. Okay, you obtain the perfuron. Okay, such perfuron is we have obtained such type of perfuron. And when you add palladium carbon 200 degrees Celsius, you will obtain the furan. Okay, in such cases, other type we can also show. Okay, this OH, that hydrogen will be removed. Other type, when you like that, it also shown. Okay, second way, positive is there, and then that hydrogen will be okay. Second, okay, other we can show other any type of mechanism is the correct one. First mechanism is also correct one, and this mechanism is also correct one. Okay, this is the second type of the synthesis from the polysaccharide pentose type of aldose compound. Okay, there aldehyde is there, pentose aldase type of compound, that compound name is D-xylose, and we have written the dialose in this form. And all these mechanism, by following this mechanism, you will obtain the furan from the perfuran. Okay, the second intermediate step is the perfuran. Important point is the perfuran, and which can be obtained from this D-xylose. Okay, this is one of the second method. By using that method, you can produce as the furan. The third one is the Fisch-Berneri synthesis. Okay, in this synthesis we have aceto ethyl acetoacetate and the alpha haloketone, such type of alpha haloketone and this is the ethyl acetoacetate. Okay, when you use the base pick up the, okay, this is most acidic center, base pick up that hydrogen. Okay, that base pick that hydrogen, negative charge will be on this by picking hydrogen, because this center is the in between those carbonyl, therefore this is the most acidic center. Okay, therefore that negative charge will produced by this base will be attack on this and you will obtain the, okay, this O minus will be OH. Okay, that hydrogen will be take, that OH will be converted. That chlorine will be removed. Okay, that will attack and this will be converted to O minus and this will be attack on this position. Okay, you will obtain the chlorine will be removed. Okay, that hydrogen after the dehydrolysis minus H2O, this hydrogen and this OH. Okay, one of the CH3 was there. Okay, CH3 is there, CH3 is there, CH3 is there, in this case CH3 is there. Okay, like that way you can prepare by using the fused binary synthesis. You can also produce the furan. Okay, these are the three methods we have seen. By using these methods you can produce the furan. Okay, one of the method is the by using benzoin. Okay, benzoin is that type of compound and acetyl dicarboxylate ester. Okay, this is the acetyl dicarboxylate ester. Okay, by this using, that is benzoin, acetyl dicarboxylic acid ester. Okay, that compound. Okay, that lone pair will be attack on this carbon, this will be attack on this. Okay, and you will obtain the second that hydrogen that will be removed and you will obtain this is one of the compound you obtain by using the second method. And in this method by using the acetyl dicarboxylic ester, acid ester and the benzoin, by using these two we will produce the furans. Okay, this is one of the method, condensation method of the benzoin and the diacetyl dicarboxylic acid ester. One of the method is there. We have ethyl acetoacetate. Okay, by using the base. Okay, in previous case also we have the base, we have not shown Na2CO3. Okay, in by using the benzoyl and dicarboxylic acetyl dicarboxylic acid is. Okay, you correct this by using in this in previous case Na2CO3 base we have used. Okay, by using this we firstly produce the monosodium salt. Okay, that base is pick up this most acidic hydrogen minus and Na plus. Okay, then by using I2 minus 2 NaI, you will obtain the condensation of these two molecules. Okay, then this, okay, after that dicarbonyl mechanism, by dicarbonyl mechanism we will produce as the such type of compound. Okay, by using the dicarbonyl mechanism. Okay, and heating and H2SO4 also we have to use. Okay, heating and acid is also used. Okay, like that we will produce as the some method. By using these some methods you can produce as the furan. Okay, this is all about the synthesis of furan. I hope you will get all this idea. Thank you very much.